When we change our automatic patterns, it causes other people they can't come back with the same thing. That is a very beautiful example of you just pulled the rug away and it was like pure Aikido. You either is going to hit air. The other person is waiting for the old pattern. And when it's not there, it's like, whoa, got to do something different. And all of this happens very quickly. The changing of the thought, the feeling, and those are in harmony, when those are aligned, coherent, it sends out a coherent signal, and it requires no defensiveness or explanation. It's like when it's like an arrow, it just goes straight to the point.